Good morning everyone. We are on module 5 of chapter 4, carbon and its compounds. Straight chain structure. A hydrocarbon can contain one carbon atom as in methane or thousands of carbon atom as in cellulose. So straight chain structure means when you are drawing a line to represent the bond between the elements. Branch chain structure. Carbon has an ability to form branches with other carbon atom, which is known as catenation. Simple branched alkanes often have a common name using a prefix to distinguish them from linear alkanes. For example, N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane. IUPAC naming convention can be used to produce a systematic name. Branch chain structures mean when you are not putting the element in the straight line. You can put element on any other carbon atom so that a branch can form. In this diagram you can see on the third carbon atom there is a branch. The ring or cyclic hydrocarbon. Carbon can be arranged in the form of a ring or cyclic such as cyclobutane, benzene, hexane, etc. Allotropes of carbon. Allotropy or allotropism is the property of some chemical elements to exist in two or more different forms known as allotropes of these elements. Allotropes are different structural modification of an element. The element atoms are bonded together in a different manner. For example, diamond, graphite and fullerenes. In graphite, each carbon atom is bonded to three other carbon atoms on the same plane in a hexagonal array. Fullerenes, this is also a form of carbon allotrope. The first one to be identified was C60, which has carbon arranged in the shape of a football, as it resembled to the geodesic dome designed by US architect Buckminster Fuller, so the molecule was named fullerenes. In diamond, each carbon atom is tetrahedrally attached to four other carbon atoms forming a rigid three-dimensional structure. This is the hardest natural known substance. Isomers are the organic compounds which have same molecular formula but different structural formula. These are called isomers and the property is called isomerization. Like pentane, the chemical formula is C5H12. But if you keep 4 carbon in the straight chain and put 1 carbon in the branch, then it becomes 2-methylbutane. And now you keep 3 carbon in the straight chain and assemble 2 carbon up and down on the second carbon atom, then it becomes 2,2-dimethylmethylbutane, propane. So you can see the chemical formula is same but the structure is different. So these are known as isomers. In organic chemistry, functional groups are specific groups of atoms within molecules that are responsible for the characteristics chemical reactions of these molecules. The same functional group will undergo the same or similar chemical reaction regardless of the size of the molecule it is a part of. So there are various functional groups in organic chemistry. We will study all in our next video. Thank you.